Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very,
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good
a very good morning to all of you. Now switch off your microphone. Can you all hear me? Can any?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay. So we have started yesterday multiples, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We have started yesterday multiples and we have learned different situations how the question will be asked about the multiples. Fine?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So now we are going to continue few of the questions related to the topic. Please write it in your notebook. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Aryan,
ma'am. Yes,
Bheer,
ma'am.
Preet, show me thumbs up.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I'm going to write it on the board.
Excuse me, ma'am. Your
Yes,
camera is off.
my camera is off.
Yes.
Okay, let me check.
No, ma'am.
Now
No,
it's
ma'am.
okay.
It's not off.
No, ma'am, it is okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Your screen is also very clear.
Everyone switch off
No,
their
ma'am.
microphones, please.
Yes, it's clear now, ma'am.
Maisha.
My,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now what questions, whichever the questions I'll write on the board, please write along with me in your notebook. Question number 6. Yesterday we have done circle the numbers or find the numbers that are multiples of 9, right? And then you told we can change it
Continue.
that are not multiples also. Yes? Madhuri ma'am,
Ma'am,
am
you
I
can
audible?
continue.
yes, ma'am, you are clear enough. You have to continue. It is understood. It is yesterday's continuation work.
Yes, you have to continue your work.
And if there is any problem, ma'am will only talk to me. You will not give any reply anyone.
Circle the numbers or find the numbers that are
Ma'am, your video is paused.
Jaival, there is a problem with your connection. Ma'am is clear enough. She is audible. She is visible. Please check your connection.
that are not
Ma'am, can I join?
yeah,
Ma'am, even join again. Ma'am,
Yes, you can.
yes.
ma'am,
Yes, Tejasvi.
ma'am, from ma'am, right side the board is not seeing.
Yeah, okay. You just switch off. I'll tell ma'am.
Okay. Ma'am, just check.
Yeah, no, Renu ma'am, pull it towards your side.
Now, ma'am,
Please pull a little bit more. Yeah, that's better.
are
Okay, thank
not
you.
multiples of 7. The question is circle the numbers or find the numbers that are not multiples of 7. So I will give you few numbers: 8, 14, 9, 23, 27, 42, 3, 63. Now please tell me, switch on your microphone. Yash Malhotra. Yash Malhotra, switch on your microphone.
Yes, ma'am.
And now tell me, what will be the answer of this question?
8,
8,
9,
9. Okay, next.
42.
Is 23 is a multiple of 7?
No, no.
So will it be mark?
Yes,
Then 27 is a multiple of 7.
yes,
42,
No.
42 is not a multiple of 7.
Ma'am, 27 is not multiple. 28 is multiple.
27 is a multiple. Just check.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
42 is a multiple.
Yes.
3 is a multiple.
No. No, ma'am.
63 is a multiple.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we have to only circle the numbers which are not the multiple of 7. So 8, 9, 23, 27 and 3. Please note down in your notebooks fast. Are you all writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I have left one page because I can do it and all these things. I
Oh.
will.
Okay, you continue today's work. Then my next question is, question number 7 is, check if 74 is a multiple of 6. So am I audible to everyone? Madhuri ma'am, am I audible and visible?
Yes, ma'am, you are clear enough.
Okay.
Ishana and Preet, stop chatting in between.
No, ma'am. Ma'am.
Now I'm not going to erase it from down. Start writing, no problem.
Ma'am, no.
Check if 74, my next,
No, ma'am. It's 72 is multiple.
so let me come on this. Everyone done this?
Can you please repeat question 7?
Ma'am, 60.
Ma'am, what is written after 74?
I will write. I will repeat and I will say it again. Also, first complete this question number 6. Everyone done, then I will proceed for 7-1.
Ma'am, it's
Yes, ma'am.
Can I proceed for question number 7?
yes, ma'am. 12 is 72.
Please switch on your camera. Aheli, Jaiwal, Kanan, Nishika. Switch on your camera. Please.
Camera is on.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
Camera is also on.
No, but you are not visible.
They are
Ma'am,
facing.
I'm
They are facing some issues, network issues. They are on and off. It's
Okay.
happening like that.
Ma'am, my camera is visible.
Yes.
No,
Yes, Nishika.
you are
74.
not visible.
I can see Nishika, ma'am.
Ma'am, mine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is written after 74?
Ma'am, Preet, Om Patel, are they all visible to you?
Yes, yes, ma'am. I can see everyone except Maisha.
Okay, okay. So now, question number 7 is, check if 74 is a multiple of 6 or not. So if
Eva,
it
mute
is
yourself. Eva, mute yourself.
so now the thing is, if it is a small number, you can easily check by if recalling your tables, right? You can easily check that whether 74 is coming in the table of 6 or not. But if it is a big number, how you will check whether this number is a multiple of this number or not? So in that case, we will divide that number. So I will show you this also with the division method, how we will check whether 74 is a multiple of 6 or not. We will divide 74 by 6. So 7 comes in the table of 6 or less than 7?
Ma'am, it will come 12.
Less than 6. 6 ones are 6. So subtract it and bring 14. So 6 twos are 12. Now the remainder is 2. After division, if
72.
any remainder is coming, then we can say that this number is not the multiple of the another number. Means 74 is not the multiple of 6 because in this remainder is coming. Right? This way you can check the big
Ma'am, we have to
numbers.
do the division.
Yeah, you what happened?
Ma'am, in answer we have to do the division.
Right now you have a small number you can directly do also. But in case if any big number comes to you, right, Devanshi? And if I'm asking, because you know that multiples are endless, infinite, they are unlimited. So if the big number is coming, how you will check whether this number is a multiple of the another number? In
Ma'am,
that case, what you will do, you need to divide it. And then you, if you see the remainder is coming, then the first number is not the multiple of the next number, big
Ma'am,
number.
but I mean, like in fourth standard, we have also learned that if there is 3, so we have to plus the both the numbers, and then we
There
will.
is,
If there is 3, so how it is divisible by 3? So we have to plus both the numbers. It is in 3 table, so it is like
yes,
multiple.
we have learned the divisibilities, right? 3
Yes, ma'am.
plus 0 plus 2. That will also come. The divisibility test also we will learn in this chapter. How to check the divisibilities. Yes, wait a minute, my dear. So that is also one of our topic. We will learn it later. How to check the divisibilities, whether 302 is divided by 3 or not, or divided by 2 or not. That also we will learn. That is also one of our topic, right? Right now we are just checking whether the number is a multiple of the another number or not. Just Ruparelia,
yes.
sit
Ma'am,
in that place where you get the proper light.
Okay.
Okay, now my 8th question. Yes.
Ma'am, I was saying I checked by, I multiply 6 by 10 equal to 60 and plus x 2 equal to
So
12
there
and plus
are, in mathematics, there are many solution. You can do it in many ways, right? Right? There is not any one way that you have to go with that way only. But for the class, I'm explaining you. If you face any difficulty, you can follow these rules. So now the question number 8 is,
Just we are not able to see you at all. Maybe you can turn on the light and close the curtains. Or you can
list
sit opposite.
the first 5 even multiples of 9. You have to write the first 5 even multiples of 9. We have learned yesterday even and odd concept also. Now, how you will write the first 5 multiples of 9? First, you start with 9. 1 is 9. 9 is a even or odd?
Odd.
9 is a odd. So, do we write that?
No.
No. Next multiple of 9 is
18.
18.
yes.
Third multiple is
Ma'am, 27.
27. Is 27 even or odd?
Odd.
Odd. Do we write this because they are only asking the even multiples?
No, ma'am.
No. Next is
36.
36. That we will write?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is
Ma'am, next is 42.
tell me the next multiple of 9.
45.
45.
I am writing 45 here. Am I correct?
No, ma'am.
No, I am not correct because they are not asking about all the multiples. They are not asking about odd multiples. They are asking about even multiples. So I will not write 45 here.
54.
54. I will write 54.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What will be the next multiple after 54? 63. Will I write 63?
No,
Why will I not write 63?
because it's a odd.
It's the odd multiple. Next, what will be next after 62? 72. Should I stop now?
No, ma'am. Just 4 are done.
Why I will not stop?
First,
They are asking first 5. And how many people have done now? 4. How many left? One more left. Which will be the next multiple now?
81 and 90.
81 will come here. So what will be the next even multiple? 90. Very good. Are you all clear with this?
yes, ma'am.
Again, I will remind you, if I give these type of questions in Google form, please do not leave the space. Switch off your microphone, everyone. Yes, tell me. Tejasvi, switch off your microphone. So please write this question in your notebooks. Now, go to... Yes.
Neeral has written 900.
Neeral, please check. Maybe by mistake, so Neeral will check, right? Now we will go to the question number 9. Question number 9 is 84 is an even number. True or false? Question number 10 is 78 is an odd number. True or false? Question number 11 is, please start writing these questions and then we will discuss. 75 is...
First we have to write.
Yes, you have to write all these questions in your notebook. 25 is an odd number.
First we have to write all the questions.
Yes. True or false?
Ma'am, what you have written 17 is an
78 is an odd number. True or false? 75 is an odd number. True or false? Madhuri ma'am, am I audible and visible clearly?
Yes, ma'am. All fine.
Okay, ma'am. Please, if you know the answers, write in the chat box. First is 84 is an even number. And 1 or 2 child, now Tejasvi will tell me. Tejasvi, switch on your microphone and tell me the answer of first. 84 is an even number.
True.
True, it's an even number. We have learned that one's place it should be divisible by 2. Then it's an even number. 78 is an odd number. True or false? Next child. Jaival. Jaival, please switch off
Yes, ma'am.
your microphone and tell me question number 10.
Yes, ma'am,
78 is an odd number. True or false? Yes.
True.
Ma'am, in this by mistake, after question 9, when I was turning the page to write next question on the next page because there was no space, so now I by mistakenly left 2 pages. So what
It's
should I
okay. You
do?
later on stick these 2 pages.
Okay, ma'am.
So 78 is an odd number. True or false? My question is from Jaiwal.
Ma'am, false.
False. Because it's an even number. Next question is from Om Patel. Om Patel.
Yes,
Om
ma'am.
Patel. Next question is from you. 75 is an odd number. True or false?
Ma'am, true.
True. Done?
Yes, ma'am,
Okay.
done.
Now, I want to ask from everyone one thing. Please write in the chat box. Smallest multiple of any number is which number? If I say write the smallest multiple of 7. So which number is the smallest multiple of 7? Yes, the number itself also. So you cannot write the number itself, Aheli. You will write the number 7. Number itself, we are learning this term for our understanding. But if it is coming in the fill in the blanks, you will not write the number itself. You will write if I will ask, what is the smallest, which is the smallest multiple of 9? Then you will write in the blank 9. You will not write the number itself, right? Am I clear to everyone? Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
everyone,
Yes, ma'am.
open your
Yes,
page
ma'am.
number 87 in your textbook. Page number 87.
Ma'am, now we have completed our notebook today.
Yes, notebook work is done. Now open page number 87. Stop messaging now. What happened, Advika? Why you want to leave? Advika, may I know reason?
She is not there.
Okay. Now I'm going to present my screen. I'm going to present page number 87.
Renu ma'am, she is facing technical issues.
Okay, ma'am. This is on your page number 87, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Yes. I want Eva, you start reading what is written here. Eva, please start reading.
Yes, ma'am. The hungry cat. The hungry cat is trying to catch
Yes.
Kunjan
Now
the
here,
mouse.
this
Kunjan is now
activity is
on the
about
fourth
the
step.
cat and the Kunjan mouse. So the
Right.
hungry cat is trying to catch Kunjan, the mouse. The name of the mouse is? What is the name of mouse in this? Kunjan.
Kunjan.
Okay. Now next reading, start reading. Eva, continue.
Kunjan is now on the fourth
No,
step.
no, it's
and
14th
jump.
step.
Yes, 14th step. And it jumps 2 steps at a time. The cat is on the third step. She can jump 3 steps at a time. If the mouse reaches 28, it can hide in a hole. Find out whether the mouse can get away safely. The
Okay,
steps on
good. Wait. So she has read that the hungry cat is trying to catch the Kunjan, the mouse, but they are on the steps. So cat is on the third step and the Kunjan, the mouse, is on the 14th step. So now how they will jump, let's see. It can jump 2 steps at a time. The mouse who is on 14th step will jump 2 steps at a time. So here you can see in the solution, I'll put my cursor that the mouse jumps. You can see in your question number A, the steps on which the mouse jump. So we will now see that after 14, the mouse will be on next step. On which step? After putting 2 jumps. Then after next, he will be on next step. So first we will learn about the Kunjan. We will see about the Kunjan. So Kunjan mouse, Aryan Agarwal, can you switch on your camera please? And switch on your mic please.
My camera is on only.
Yes, mic also. Yes. My next question is from you. See, if he is on 14th, after 2 steps, where he will be now?
After 2 steps, 16, ma'am.
16. And next is from Jeval. After 16, where will be he? Because he is jumping 2 steps.
Ma'am, 18.
18. Next from Eva.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. After 18, he will be on next which step?
20.
20. Children, have you observed something here? What is happening here? Can anyone tell me what is happening here? 14 to 16, 16 to 18, 18 to 20.
Counting.
Counting. Can I say?
One child
Yes,
can switch
counting.
on the microphone and speak.
Ma'am,
Tell me. Yes, Nishik.
Ma'am, it is multiplying 2 times.
Yes. So we are learning here the multiples of 2.
Yeah.
Yes or no? Yes. Now the next
Yes,
question
ma'am.
is the B question, the steps on which the cat jumps. So you will write in first one, you will write the multiples of 2 till 28 because they have total 29 steps. So after that, we cannot go beyond that. So we will write the multiples of 2 till 28. Right?
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
ma'am, in our books, number are not given properly.
Numbers are
Like
not
this.
given. You can put your numbers by your own also.
Ma'am, red will be when.
Yes?
Red will Ma'am, it's like this.
Yeah, I know. In my book also, the numbers are in different way. You can write with the pencil also after the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
The
that
B,
will be
yes, just Ruparelia, tell me. Okay, I'll proceed. Any query till here?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So the next
No,
question
ma'am.
is the steps on which both the cats and the mouse jump. So first of all, we should know the cat here right now. She is on.
Ma'am, where the mouse is?
Where the mouse is.
Now. Yes,
Mouse
ma'am,
is
now.
on 14 right now.
The
But if he will jump 2 steps, right? They are asking the final question is if the mouse reaches 28, it can hide in the hole or find out whether the mouse can get away safely. So we are finding the ways of all these, how the mouse will be get away safely, right? Right now, mouse is on 14 step, but if he will go 2 steps down, then we will see whether the cat or mouse will meet together.
Then both will come. Let's say last 28, both will come together because cat is on 3
Yes,
and
that
mouse
only
is
we
on
are
14.
going to find it out, right? So the
Ma'am.
cat, yes.
Ma'am, red will win because cat have to go
Yes.
11. He have to catch in 11 moves, but it will be go in 8 moves.
So let's see. Okay. So now cat is right now on the 3rd step and cat is jumping 3 steps. It means which multiples are there in the cat jump?
3. Ma'am,
3. So after 3, the cat will be on 6. Then switch on your microphone and tell me.
10,
9.
10,
Yes. 9, 12. For this, you have to learn the tables, children, so that you can give me the quick answers for multiple.
17 and 24.
Yes. So now, yes, 24 and the 27th step. Because after 27, the cat will not jump, because after 27, there are not more steps. You can see there are, the last step is 29. Now, moving ahead, question number C. Please switch off your microphone, children. Now, the steps on which both the cat and the mouse jump. The steps on which both the cat and the mouse jump.
13.
See,
Ma'am, this is the
18,
common multiple of both.
18, cat also will come on 18 and mouse also will come on 18. But are they coming together on the 18?
No, ma'am.
No. So will the cat able to catch the mouse on 18?
No.
No.
I was saying from
And
starting.
in 20, on 24 also they're coming. But will the cat will able to catch the mouse on 24?
No.
No, because they are not moving on the steps together, right? When
Yes,
cat
ma'am.
will be on, see if we see, when cat will be on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6 jumps, cat will be on 24, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 jumps. After 8 jumps of mouse, the mouse will be on 24. So means they are not meeting together. So in that case, cat will not able to catch the mouse. Next is the steps. Yes, can you guess the mouse get away? Mouse will get away or the cat will catch the mouse?
Mouse will get away.
The mouse will
Get away. Yes, Ahili, can you
The mouse will
explain
get
how
away.
the mouse will get away?
Ma'am, because the mouse will get
Ma'am, the
hole,
mouse will get into the hole.
hole, but the
Yes.
cat will not be able to, because
Yes, the mouse will
is
go into the
something-
hole after 28 step, and then cat will not able to catch the mouse. So this way this is just an activity fun learning that we are learning about the multiples. You can also frame different questions on the basis of this and ask from your family members also. Next step is, just a minute, children. It will go after an end.
Yes, ma'am.
Open next page number 88. Everyone is ready with the page number 88?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the question is, this is on your page number 88?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, my dear.
Ma'am, that find out one we have to do in our notebook. That back one, 87, the find out one. We have to do in that this in notebook.
Which find out?
In the
Ma'am.
87, then a find out.
Yes,
Ma'am, should I
fine.
write now?
If the cat starts from the yes, you have to do it in your notebook, or you can make the question on the basis of this and play with your family members. Like if it is written, if the cat starts from 5th steps and jump 5 steps at a time, and the mouse starts from the 8th step and jumps 4 steps at a time. Please do this in your notebook, and we will discuss this tomorrow in our
Ma'am,
class. Yes, my dear.
ma'am, I did it in the textbook. It's done.
No,
Ma'am,
next
you told
written
about
find out.
that. Ma'am,
The
you
next
told-
one.
Okay, ma'am.
Find out, you have to do it by your own and find out whether the cat will be able, according to this situation, whether the cat will be able to catch the mouse or
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, on the page number 87, the mouse.
yes.
Ma'am, I have page number 87. The
Let me
mouse
listen, Dhruvi. Let me listen, Dhruvi. Yes, Dhruvi, tell me.
Ma'am, in 87, the mouse and the cat, that exercise we have to do in notebook or textbook.
First question which I have explained just now, that you have to do in the textbook. And the second question where it is written find out, that you will do in the notebook. That we will discuss it tomorrow. Not
Ma'am, can
tomorrow,
you
the day
show me
after
the
tomorrow.
page
Tomorrow
number
is
80?
yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
can you show me the page number 87 again?
Page number 87. You don't have book with you? Yes or no? I am asking from the child. Please answer me.
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, there were written answers on the page number 87. So I want to see the answers.
Answers, I will send you this video, no problem. But you have to write your answers by your own, which is already explained to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, page number 88 is also an activity. So, children, if we get time, we do the dice activity today. Otherwise, bring the dice tomorrow also in the class. Now, Montu is, who is Montu waiting for? Montu cat is waiting for somebody. Now we will see for whom he is waiting. Do you know for whom he is waiting? You know, children, for whom he is waiting? Yes or no? Children, please answer me.
No, ma'am.
No, you are
No, ma'am.
now you don't know. Till now you don't know that Montu is waiting for whom.
the mouse.
Wait a minute. Now there is a trick given. It's a game. You can play this. Mark with the red dot. There is a trick. Find out. Mark with the red dot all the numbers which can be divided by.
Ma'am, 4 number gap.
Yes. Tell me, Prakriti, what happened?
Ma'am,
The multiple of 4.
Mark with red dot all the numbers which can be divided by 2. Means which are the multiples of 2. Right? So mark it with the red. Start doing faster.
Ma'am, I break my
Yes?
I don't understand this.
He's founding the mouse.
Wait a minute.
Ma'am, you have to mark the multiples of 2.
Yes. It's written everything in the book. It's written everything how you have to follow the instructions which are given.
Ma'am, we have to do with pencil colors, no?
You have to do with the pencil colors. Okay, I will just read for you and explain you. You can do it after the class also. Okay. Just see here. I'm going to show you how you have to do it. You do.
My video is on only, but in your screen it is showing that my video is
It's okay.
Ma'am, for Montu.
Montu cat is waiting for somebody, but how we will know? We have numbers and letters, everything. So this is one activity you have to do with the tricks. You can do these trick activities with your family members so that your
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
All the even numbers are colored with cherry pink.
yes. Mark red with all the even numbers which are divided by 2. Mark yellow dot on the numbers which can be divided by 3 and the blue dot on the numbers which can be divided by 4. After this, doing this activity, you will come to know that some boxes, some numbers will get all the 3 colors, yellow also, red also and blue also. And then you will see the letter on that box, that though the boxes which got all the, like this, I will show you. Wait a minute. You will do this activity at your home in your book only. Mark this in this way. You can see here red dot. So first point is to mark them red which are divided by 2. Second is mark them yellow which are divided by 3. So you can see here now 2 dots have come, yellow and red. And then the blue is saying mark them with the blue, those who are divided by Which are the box? Wait. Blue, which can be divided by 4. So the boxes which got 3 dots, all the 3 dots, can you see here on my screen any box which
Yes,
got
ma'am.
all the 3? Yes. Here we can see the number 12, red also, blue also, and yellow also.
Ma'am, 24.
12 also, 24 also.
36,
Then you can see 36 also.
48 and 60.
Then 48 also, and then 50. So after this, when you come to know then all the one box is having all the 3 dots, then you see the letter which is written on that. M. Then on 24, what is written?
Renu ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, we are extending more time, please.
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute. So M is here. O you can see on 24. U you can see on 36. S you can see on 48. And E you can see on 50. Sorry, it's 60. So which word is formed?
Mouse.
Yes.
Mouse.
So this way you can do this. Page number 87 and 88 completed. We will do the activities of 89 and 890 tomorrow in our live class. Be ready with the dice tomorrow also.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.